You see how these first two candles are identical in size? That's a don't touch it. We don't get to touch it until a candle breaks the previous high, meaning longer candle than the previous candle it was before it. You see how these two are the same?
Yes, sir.
That is not the trade candle, but that one is your winner because it's now taller than the previous candle. So let's break this down as if you're an experienced trader, you've been here a while, that means this is the entry, which is somewhere in this candle, and there's your payday, right? It pulls,
Yes, sir.
it pulls back. Everybody knows to shed. It keeps pulling. We can shed, shed, shed. We get very nervous up here, right? You guys could shed. It's up to you. Otherwise, hang on. But everybody in this room knows 1000%. If this breaks and holds above VWAP and we're in a put, what do we do, everyone? I don't care how much you are in or out of the money. What do we do?
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Right here, we're out. And now listen, we got in up here, right? No matter what, we still made money even when it pulled through. Do you see it?